Hi everyone, it's Professor Marshall. We're going to do the student introductions a little bit different than you're used to. We're going to use video, and I'm going to show you how. So what you would do is you go in, you read what you have to tell me, your name, the degree and major that you're studying. Have you ever received medical insurance bill before? You could read the question, but we are answering in video so I could see everybody. So what you do is you just click the title, and then there's the question. You could start a new thread, and you can type in the subject line, my intro. Now here is where you can create the video. In here, see this drop down, whoops, I'm sorry, that's the wrong spot. I lied to you. So it's the first button, and it's insert stuff. So I'm going to do it one more time. We're going to go and insert stuff, and we are going to add a video note. You click that, and so now it's allowing access to my microphone and my camera. You want to always allow access, so you click allow. And now, hi, my video just came on. You would hit start. New recording, let's see, new recording. And so now I'm being recorded on it. So I'm going to hit stop recording. And so now I'm being recorded on it. So I'm going to hit stop recording. And now I'm going to hit the next button. You give it a title, my intro. You don't really have to give it a description. I am doing the language here because I just don't know what's going to happen if I don't. And then I'd like to generate captions and from the audio. So I'm going to hit next. And so you don't really have to wait for your video. You could just click insert. And you would go back to your posting, and you can't really see anything, but it did insert into there. And so now what I'm going to do, hit post. So there's my video that's going to be in the student introduction. This is what I would like everyone to do. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.